So Pro Train the Trainer program is a focus group learning model where you don't meet like hundreds of people in a conference room and somebody just keep talking and you're lecturing and you're listening and you're trying to imagine how to do it. It's not. It's a very focused group, only 20 people maximum, sit down together and we're gonna get the skill set it really need with a very inspiring, passionate and exciting situations. You're gonna learn and grab all the skill set. You'll get all the skill set you have and all the skill set you need to get to a certain level so you could be a trainer. Not only that, you'll also know your strength map and skill map too, so you know that what is the skill set you actually able to train and what is the skill set you need to upskill yourself in how, so you could also put them in your future training program as well too. Not only that, myself, I was training all over the Southeast Asia, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, in all of these big economy countries. And during this period of time, I met a lot of different levels of managers, directors, C-suite executives, different functions, professionals I trained. And during the training process, I have put together a great amount of expertise and knowledges to be a proper trainer into my life. So in this program, I will share all of them to you in a different, very exciting manner so you can easily consume into it and then you can put down your skill set. You got to remember, training is not talking or speaking or sharing. Training is a specific list of skill set you need to have as a trainer so you'll be able to conduct a successful training program. And that's exactly what you're gonna get in this training program. Look, there is a lot of train the trainer programs around the world, but why most of them doesn't really work? The reason it doesn't really work is that one, you go to those conferences, you met like hundreds of people, there's a one person speaking to you, you listen, try to take notes, and then you get out of the conference and it's done. It does not happen that way. You cannot be a trainer in that manner because you need a specific amount of skill set. And that's why the pro trainers, train the trainer programs give you a great environment to learn how. Building a skill set, you know that it's like going to the gym and building muscle. So you need to practice. So Pro Trainer program give you the opportunity to practice during your 2 days of programs in a focus group to get feedback and improve. And not only that, you also become the part of the Pro Community program as well too, which will give you the opportunity to keep practicing, because if you don't practice, you will not be a great trainer. You need to practice, practice, practice. So Pro Community program, which you entry point as soon as you finish the Pro Trainers program, then you can keep practicing and develop your training skill set and take it to the next level. At the same time, all those train the trainer program all the world, you can take it, but you actually don't find an opportunity to train someone in a professional manner and appreciate your training skill set too. Or you really need to put a lot of effort to do it, but that's a problem because you already in a professional, you are doing a job, and something you want to do it on top of it, and that's why it becomes a problem. So the Pro Train the Trainer programs, in this program, you'll be part of the Pro Community program, and VSHR Pro Academy will give you opportunities to train different kind of training program to in a corporate level and appreciate your skill set and get rewarded as well too. And trust me, the last year in 2021 was an amazing time where we trained a lot of trainers to train them, and we put them in a Pro Academy different training program to delivering training solution to different clients of VSHR Pro Academy. So you could be the next one. And one more thing I want to tell you. So Pro Train the Trainer programs or Pro Trainers program is so important is this one, it's going to be exciting, it's going to be fun, it's going to be very group of exciting people, 15 to 20 people, sit down together and learn. It's not about just going to a conference, you go to the vibe of meeting a lot of people, but here you come to learn and practice yourself, because in the first day, it's very much about deep learning, and the second day is more about presenting, practicing, and getting concentrated feedback and getting ready your skill set to go to the next level. And the whole program is conducted over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So you don't get any interruption in your working days for your job, what you're conducting right now. Oh, is there any particular concern into it? You're probably thinking, oh, is it the price is a big problem? Actually, we are doing this program to helping a lot of trainers to find their passion to turn them to a profession or a secondary profession on top of their first professions. Like an example, if you are a marketing director or marketing managers, and then you could be a marketing trainer on top of it as well too, to help other people or other professionals to make them more efficient and effective and productive as well. So in the whole program, there is a lot of pricing promotions right now keep going on. You check out the description section. There is the link over there. You can check out all the promotions. It's a very efficient and very affordable. But I want to tell you this is going to go away probably first intake or in the second intake. So if you're watching this one, probably this is the best time to grab them as well too. So what are you waiting for? Its clock is ticking. Go ahead and register the coming intake of the Pro Trainers Train the Trainer program. You check out the video description section. There's a link there. Click there and register right now. And myself, looking forward to helping you, inspiring you to turn this passion to your professional's primary or even secondary work stream. See you soon.